Blessed be, guys. Welcome to Dion J Star's channel. Please like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. This is called A Rite of Nature, some poetry I wrote. I took a nature walk, and I'm in nature. I might walk around if I feel comfortable to. So, this is called The Rite of Nature. Holly for those envies, protection berries, pine for looking fine, drinking the wine, cedar of leverage, great spirits message, a voyage, change of places, nature manifestation, stand tall timber, divine presence of reward, for she understands herself and God, the divine vision, she a goddess of nature, prosperity of ecstasy, giving and taking if she please, the most favorable herbs she sown to grow, as white as snaw, but snaw it's not, as red as blood, but blood it's not, as black as ink, but ink it's not, the humble blackberry, boundaries are bound, fern to fertilize the earth, grant us for ground. Slan Lewis, play the angel's harp, to grant us the spark, a few herbs to make them ancient smart. On the count of fairy elements, the rite of nature should be wished for, desired, the roots of the powers of earth, the powers of will as expanded on the physical plane. A greatness of soul, generous is she, choosing between many possibilities in her nature, crafting the wrong in all problems of life. Her presence is good and brings protection, ruling the animals she holds deep. Bare of ancestral roots, primal forces echo the nature. Bare of starry heavens and the deep fruitful earth, fox of cunningness, wisdom of the wildness, and the beauty and harmony of the natural world. Frog of hidden beauty and power, the medicine of earth and sea, growth and develop in thee, the rite of nature. Borrows and harvest hills, powers and circle stones, guarding the inhabitants' wells, discovering the earth itself, where oak soaks secrets of hope. That is called The Rite of Nature by Dion J Star. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you for enjoying. Please like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. And bless be, guys. Stay safe.